can you really earn $32 or more by reviewing brands on BrandReview, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and quite a few reviewers have recently asked me about this platform, so I decided to take a closer look, and in this BrandReview review I'll show you exactly what I have found. And let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to consider before joining. So let's start by going over who can join, and from what I can see, anyone, no matter where you live, can join, and it does promise quite good earnings. They also have these like payments sent constantly with a lot of money. You can see like people look like they earn like hundreds or thousands of dollars even. But the first thing I came across that was a little bit strange when I did some research was that yes, it is called BrandReview, the platform, but the URL is a little bit different, and from what I can see, the URL has changed quite a few times. You know, that can sometimes happen when there is some kind of rebrand, but it just looks a little bit suspicious with how it has been done here. In my personal opinion and experience, again, I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online over the past 8 years, so I already here something looked a little bit strange. But let me now log in and then we'll dive a little bit deeper. So I have now logged into BrandReview, and you can see I got $25 just by signing up. That in itself is also kind of a red flag, because usually a get paid to site where you can earn for free will not just give you $25 like that, but you know, that's how it is. So let's just continue here. So if we go to the quick earnings and check what ways you have to earn here. So here you can then see that you have different quick earning methods, for example, and here there's like an app, but there's not much information. And if you then click it here, then it loads a new offer. But in most cases, it has nothing to do with what you actually told. And as you can see, in most cases, also the ones that I have clicked, my antivirus actually blocks it. So it's suspicious links in many cases, and it has nothing to do with actually an app, and it doesn't say anything about what you have to do. All that, you know, it just shows that you have to be careful believing it. And, you know, there's just so many red flags here. This is just one of them. And the next one here, if we just look at the invite section, and here you can see, for example, and again, I have, you know, used hundreds of different sites, and then it says here that if a person just joins through your invitation link, you will get $2. Or if they actually, no, not even if they join, if they use it. So that means if they just click it, you will earn $2. And if they sign up, you will earn an extra $20. That's just not possible. You know, that no get paid to site will give you $2 just to get someone to click it, and $20 just for having someone to sign up without further requirements. You know, that is just to make it look like you can earn a lot of money, so you will start spreading it, they will get a lot more people, so they will earn, but this is just not realistic. Another huge red flag. And I just jumped to the payout section, and here you can see that you need to actually earn $200 to cash out. And that's another red flag. Like a free earning platform would usually not have a higher threshold than $5–10. In some cases, maybe 20, but 200, always huge red flag. Usually the platforms that, again, I have just hundreds of them, the only ones that I've come across that have this high payout threshold are the ones that promise exaggerated earnings and that will actually never pay you. And once you get close, then they will have further requirements. They even say they have requirements, but they don't really say much about what it is, but they will likely force you to invite others. And then they say, oh, if you just invite this and this number of people, then we'll pay you. But it will never happen. So already now you can see there are a lot of red flags, but let me just jump out again and show you the so-called payment proof, because that's actually another red flag. So on the website, you can see there are quite a few payment proofs, and payment proofs in general, you know, you have to be careful believing them, because especially when it's like a screenshot like this. But what shows, you know, even more here that this is not true is, for example, if we look at this one here, this payment proof of $1,563 is from January 2023 here, and this one is another one from January. But if we go to a website like this one here, you can see the website itself is registered on 23rd of February in 24, but a lot of the payment proofs are actually from before that particular website here was created. So, you know, that just adds to the many red flags of this platform. So just to sum it up, on the website you can see BrandReview says itself that the hourly wage per average user is 32. So they're actually arguing that most people can earn more than $32 per hour here. This is, a lie. Maybe you can if you invite a lot of people, but it doesn't matter how much is in your balance here if you will never get it out. And it says that the platform or the profile on Trustpilot has been closed down, because it just doesn't live up to the requirements. And, that just adds to the many big red flags. I have joined hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and you will not find a platform where you can earn this much, like $20 just to get someone to join, $2 to get a click on a link, and all these different other things here. It's just not realistic, and they have fake payment proof, exaggerated earning claims, not clear about the tasks they have. Overall, there is absolutely no reason to use BrandReview. It will just be a waste of time. And I'm saying this based on experience, because now I know some people will come in the comments and say like, oh, but you didn't try to reach the payout threshold. No, I have made money online for 8 years, and I know when I see a fake platform, and I'm not going to sit here and help them make money by inviting people and doing fake tasks when I know that I will not get paid, when there are too many red flags, and when they say things that just sound way too good to be true. Why waste my time? I have many years of experience. If you want to waste your time trying to reach the payout threshold just to find out there will be extra requirements, maybe they will even ask you to pay a fee, whatever, you will never get paid, then that's up to you. But don't invite other people to try to earn, because then you will also waste their time, and that's just not fair. So overall, just complete waste of time. If you want to see some actually legit, realistic ways to earn a little bit for free, then I have a list of the best get paid to sites and service sites on my website. I will leave a link below to a list of different countries, so then you can find the best ones in your country. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.